In this tutorial, I will be showing how to export GLBs from Maya. Let's say you have already installed Bablyon JSON library. They have instructions on how to do this. After installation, you should be seeing Bablyon menu in Maya interface. If you can't see it, then go to Windows, Settings, Preferences, then choose Plugin Manager. Type Bablyon, okay, let's try it again. Plugin Manager. Yes, Maya to Bablyon. Type Maya. Yes, you can see it here. Bablyon. Yes, Maya to Bablyon. Make sure this is checked and it's loaded. Okay. Then the most important thing is to make sure you have made a very correct baking. Baking is the process that translates the information about the animation from Maya to the GLB format. You need to make sure that for every control or any moving object, if you go to Windows Graph Editor after baking, Windows Animation Editor, then Graph Editor after animation, you should see for every frame you have a key. So let's start the baking process. Go to Edit menu, Keys, Bake Simulation. Let's have a look on the options meaning. First, I will reset all the settings. I usually choose from hierarchy below. Below means if I have selected all this, when it's checking below, it means bake all the below stuff under the main hierarchy. That's what I want. I want to pick anything under this hierarchy. Then for channels, I use all cable. If you make a traditional animation, then you will be choosing this. The other option from channel box will be useful if you made a constraint animation that is based on constraints. Then you should be seeing that the defaults will work fine. Apply. And bake. For every frame you will see a keyframe. Then I will go to, there is two options from Bablyon file exporter or animation groups. Animation groups are for having multiple animation inside the same animation. If I have many animations in the same file, I will use this option. But this is not the case right now, so I will go to Bablyon file exporter. I will check GLB and make sure to write the file name GLB tutorial. Okay, we'll pick export. can see some warnings here. The export is done. Okay. Let's view it using GLTF exporter. Okay. I can see the animation right here. You can see all animations. If I uncheck this, the animation will not work, but if I checked it, it will work fine. I should say that exporting GLBs is a very buggy process, and usually the errors that come from the library is not expressive. You need to think why your information is not well represented in the animation, in the exported GLB. What could be the error? So observe your rig, see what is hard for the GLB library. Try to anticipate what will be hard for the GLB library to translate and reduce this. I will try to make some say some examples about some errors that faced me and how I solved it. Good luck.